I'm really excited about this new tool from AWS called Amazon Q, and you can install it in VSCode, and currently it is free while in preview. So let me show you how to do that and what you can get to do with it. When you open VSCode, you'll probably be on this page with File Explorer. What we want to go to is this Extensions tab and then search for AWS Toolkit, because most things or most new things get bundled in here. So you click the install button and voila, you should have at least this icon and probably this icon appear on your sidebar. So if you click on this Amazon Q and just say, hey, how are you? It's gonna say we don't have access, please authenticate to get started. So we just click authenticate and we can sign in for free with AWS Builder ID. And you just click here and proceed to the browser, and I'm going to copy this so it looks like you have to do extra steps if you just copy. So instead you just click open and click confirm and continue, and then click allow here. Obviously it was easy for me because I'm already signed in with my Builder ID. If you don't have one, then create one. You'll be prompted to create one on this page. And if you have one, you'll be prompted to sign in. So once you see this green check mark, you can just close this or just return to VS Code, and you should see this green check mark here connected to AWS Builder ID. And now if we say, hey, how are you again? Now it's gonna say generate a new answer. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Well, obviously we don't want just another chatbot to talk to, so how is it going to help us? So for example, let me open this incoming SMS SQS handler from my pet project, the time tracking app that I did a while back. And so if we ask Amazon Q, can you explain the code that's open? And let's see if it works. So it's gonna generate the answer. And it says, based on the code sample provided, looks like the code is working with updating the last record. Well, it is updating the last record. Oh, maybe it's because I had it highlighted. So obviously there is a room for improvement, but in the worst case, even if I didn't see anything, I could just copy paste this code and say, can you explain this code to me? And that would be a lot faster than me trying to manually obfuscate the code. So for example, ChatGPT doesn't know exactly what my code looks like, but I want to get an answer. Here it can explain the code to me. We can use it for code reviews, for generated new code. For example, we can say, can you write unit tests for the code I sent you? And let's see what it generates. And it suggests some test names, but you can just keep asking it until it actually generates the code. So basically it's nothing new necessarily, but Amazon Q doesn't train their data set with the data from your code base. So that's why I can use it now, and I'm really excited about it, and hopefully it will save me hours, days, weeks, months. And obviously you can use it to help you with designs, code reviews, etc., whatever you wish for. And while it is in preview, it's free, and after that it's going to be $20 or $25 a month per user, depending on the plan you choose. So while it's free, go and enjoy it. And if you have not watched my last video yet on how to create, debug and deploy AWS Lambda applications from VS Code, then watch the next video.